Okay, so now we're going to produce data to a topic, the one we've created. Just a quick reminder, we launched the cluster using this command that you can find in the resources, and then we were able to use the Kafka tools using another command. I'm just going to show you again what the command looks like. So I'm going to clear my screen. Okay, the command looks like this: docker run, etc., bash. All right, so we have a running cluster, and you know you have a running cluster because in the UI, everything's green, everything looks good, everything's shiny. Perfect. Okay, so now we have our topic. Remember, we created a topic called first topic. And if we click on it, it says this topic is empty. So we're going to publish data to the topic, and we're going to see how to do it. So now that we run this command, again, we're in the root fast data dev, and we're going to learn today about the command called Kafka console producer. Okay, it was one more again. So again, because sometimes it's really tough to remember all the parameters, it's always good to just enter the command name, press enter, and it's going to give you the documentation. And as you see, the documentation is big, okay? But what this does is that it reads data from standard input and publish it to Kafka. So let's check it out. The first thing you need to look at is that there is a required parameter here called broker list. So we need to reference the broker list. So we do Kafka console producer, broker list, and then your broker, again, you need to input your right IP. So I won't do it every time, but you know the drill now. And the port Kafka runs onto is 9092. You can check it out using the UI. So if we go back in the UI and we go all the way to the bottom, we see all the services ports. 9092 is for your broker, 2181 is for your zookeeper, and so on. So let's go back to the topics view, and let's go back to our first topic, empty. So broker list 127.001.9092. Excellent. Now, because we want to publish data somewhere, we want to specify the -- topic option to say where we want to publish to, and we do first _ topic. Okay, and it's required as topic ID to produce message to. And all the other options are really interesting, and you can definitely look into them, but you don't need to know them to use this command. So let's just press enter. And nothing's happening, it's normal, but you see now, I can start entering text. So let's just say hi. Okay, and we're gonna say hello. Okay, but you say, wait, nothing's really happening. But let's go check in the UI real quick. So I'm gonna click on the topic again, and look at this. There's hi and hello, and they're here. My data has been here. So remember how we talked about keys and values, partitions, and offsets? So my hi went into partition 2 and has the offset 0. My hello went into partition 1 and has the offset 0. So I just published more message. Here's my first name. It's Stefan. We're on Udemy, and we're learning. You can do whatever you want, actually. You can have spaces. You can have weird characters. It's really whatever you want. Okay. Well, let's just look what happens. So we're going to click on first topic again, and let's look at Stefan. Stefan is on partition 0 and has the offset 0, and that really weird chain of characters is on partition 0 and has the offset 1. But have a look right here, okay? Stefan is then followed by this weird chain of character, and they're on the same partition. But you see when I enter them, I enter Stefan here, and I enter the weird chain of characters right here. It's because, remember what I told you? The messages are assigned to random partition because we don't specify a key, and therefore there is no ordering, okay? And so Stefan is happening right here before that one string of character. So hi is on partition 2 offset 0, Udemy is on partition 2 offset 1, hello is on partition 1 offset 0, and learning about Kafka is on partition 1 offset 1. So I really hope right here you can start relating to what we saw in the theory again, and that's why the theory was so important, is that we have 3 partitions and the messages just go to random partition. Okay, if I just type a new message, I'll call it new message and press enter and refresh this. The new message went to partition 2, offset 2, but there was no way of really knowing where it was going up until we did it. Okay, so that's about it. to publish data. Just a few things to note, and you may have these kind of issues, and it's important to see them at least once. If you reference a topic that really doesn't exist, sometimes it'll throw you errors because you can't create topics automatically. If you can't create topics automatically, it'll throw you another error, which I hope we'll see here, which is called leader not available. So let's just do it here, and let's say hi, and I'm getting an error right here, and you may get that error often. It's called new topic, leader not available. So that topic, remember, was not created, and therefore it took a little bit of time to create it, and you get this error called leader not available. If I type another message here, just here I type second message, no more errors, okay? It's because the topic was created and the leader was assigned. But if you see that kind of error, it's usually because you've done something wrong, and don't worry too much about it. But now, if we go back to the UI and we refresh and we type new, you see there's new topic right here that was created, one replication, one partition, and it has both our messages. Okay, so just be wary of these kind of errors that can happen. It's always best to first create a topic and then publish data to that topic. Very, very important. Just remember, the Kafka console producer takes the broker list as a parameter, and the port is 9092, and usually the topic name you want to reference is a topic that already exists. Okay, and once you're there, you can really type anything you want. If you want to send a new message, press enter. And that's about it for this lecture.